Hey guys, welcome again on my channel. My name is Ayola Asuko. If you are new here and if you are not, thank you for always coming back. So today's video is gonna be 50 plus YouTube video ideas that is going to blow your YouTube channel 2022 stroke 2023. You know, we just have just like a month to go or a few days to go in this 2022. If you apply or use all these videos idea I'm going to give you in 2023, your channel is gonna blow up, guys. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video.
What are you made of? What are you made of, girl? What are you made of?
So the first on my list is, guys, if you see me looking down, I already jotted everything down on my jotter. So if you see me looking down, just know I'm checking. So guys, the first on my list is gonna be a product review, guys. Product review. It could be a gadget, it could be camera, makeup product review, a phone product review, shoe, clothes, could be anything. It's just for it to be a product review because people want to see a review of product. They want to buy product and check for the review if it is good or bad before purchasing that product. So if you are doing that video for them, it will go a long way and that video will get a lot of views. The second one like it is going to be best makeup product review under 5,000 to 6,000 naira. If you are in Nigeria, yeah, but if you are out of Nigeria, you could do a best makeup product review under $20, under $50. Trust me, people are looking for affordable makeup products that works the same as those high-end products. So if you do any of this video, guys, it's gonna work well for you. So the third on my list is clothing haul. You can do an Amazon clothing or you can do a chain clothing up. I think those are the shopping app online that works very well and they are very popular that people like shopping from. You can do an Amazon clothing or a chain clothing. You can do Marca, yeah, anyone, and let people see. They may like, people want what is trending, people want to see what they want to see, the quality of the clothes they sell online before buying. So if you do any of this video, trust me, your channel is gonna blow up, guys. So the fourth on my list is reset video, guys. It could be a Sunday reset video, it could be a monthly reset video. Trust me, people need motivations. Yes. So the fifth on my list is hygiene video, guys. It can be an oral hygiene for the teeth, it can be a feminine hygiene. There are young ladies out there that needs motivation, that needs to see all these hygiene tips to stay healthy as a lady or to keep up their self. So if you're doing any of this video, guys, trust me, you're gonna love it. Your channel is gonna keep blowing up and you're not going to run out of ideas. So the sixth on my list is get ready with me, guys. People want to see what you do, people want to see how you dress, the clothes you wear, the bag you purchase, where you get them from. Trust me, guys, people really want to know. So the seventh on my list is a week in my life. People are nosy, they want to know what goes on in your life in a week. So if you are doing any of this, trust me, it will go a long way. The eighth on my list is a day in my life. You can do a day in my life. The ninth one on my list is a weekend vlog. You can vlog weekend, how your weekend went, what you did throughout your weekend. The 10th on my list, if you are a beauty content creator, you can do a makeup tutorial. Yeah, you can do a makeup tutorial, giving them tips and tricks and all that. It will go a long way. Trust me, people want to learn how to do makeup. Remember, YouTube is just like a search engine for anyone to come. Just do a makeup tutorial and you will see how that is going to blow up fast, guys. The 11th one on my list is just like it, do's and don'ts in makeup. Yeah, people want to know the do's, people want to know the don'ts, especially those that are not professionally makeup artists. So the 12th one on my list is self-care morning routine. Trust me, people want to know how to take care of themselves, know the skincare routine to use in the morning, and to know the one to use in the night. The one like it, the 13th one, is going to be a night routine. Let them know how you do your night routine. It could be a shower routine, how you prep your skin in the night after work, or anything. Guys, trust me, people are going to watch it. The 14th one on my list is how I edit my YouTube videos. Trust me, people want to see how you edit your YouTube video. You can show them apps you use in editing your YouTube videos, the apps you use for free. Trust me, there are many upcoming YouTubers, there are many YouTubers, the new ones, they want to see how you edit your video. People really want to learn a lot. So this video is going to go a long way if you can do it. 15th one on my list is how I filmed my YouTube video on a phone. There are many people that are not encouraged to come here on YouTube, probably just to create their own channel because they don't have a camera yet and they don't know how to film with their phone. If you are doing this video, guys, you are helping a lot of people out there to use their phone in filming, or it can make them come here and they could start a YouTube channel and start earning just with their phone. Guys, I'm also using my phone to record my YouTube video. I don't have a camera yet, so guys, you can do how I film my YouTube video using my phone. So the 16th one on my list is how to make thumbnails for free. Thumbnails, like thumbnails we use on YouTube for free. There are apps that are free. You can show them how you do that on your phone with free apps. Yeah, people really want to know. The 17th one on my list is how to get started on YouTube. Yeah, people need motivation, so you can talk them and let them know how to get started on YouTube. The 18th one on my list, you can do a best friend tag or a boyfriend tag. Yeah. The 19th one is a pampery day vlog. Yeah, how you pamper yourself in a day. Let them know. People are nosy, they want to see, and so people might take one or two out of your video, guys. So the 20th one on my list is vlogmas video idea. As we all know, Xmas is coming, Christmas is coming this December, so people want to get ideas. People may not even know, they'll be doing series and a lot of vlogmas, so people need ideas. People know what to do from day 1 to day 25. You can come up with vlogmas video idea for them. It's going to go a long way, guys. People are going to watch it. The 21st one on my list is assumption videos about me. The 22 one, shopping for a new apartment. Trust me, people want to know what you shop for your new apartment. They might take 1 or 2 out of that video just to use for their own new apartment too. Yeah, people are always coming to check for aesthetic room tour. You can do an house tour too, guys. So 23 on my list is how to start a small business. Yes, guys, how to start a small business. 24 on my list is why should I start a YouTube channel? Why should I start a YouTube channel? You can tell them why they should start a YouTube channel, and people are willing to join YouTube, but they don't just know how to. So if you are doing a video and they are going to come on YouTube to check out, or why should I start a YouTube channel, and they'll bump into your video, guys. It's going to go a long way, guys. So the 25th one on my list is viral makeup hacks and tricks. You can go on or up on anything trendy or a challenge or whatever and do on your video, guys. It's going to go a long way. The 26th one is realistic day in my life. Yeah, people want to see the real you in your life. It's not unedited, don't edit it. The realistic day in your life. The 27th one is how to start working from home. There are people that don't want to work 9 to 5 or going out to office. They just want to do a remote job and they pay well as well. So you can do a video on that. I know definitely they will come on YouTube to check how to work from home, so you can see your video is going to sell well, guys. So the 28th one is a story time. You can do a story time 29 one, you can do a life update, let them know what's going on in your life. The 30th one, you can do an unboxing. If you get a new thing you need to unbox for us or unbox for them, let them know what you are getting new, let them know where you get it and all that. 31st one on my list is cooking idea. Trust me, some people want to have a new cooking idea, and some people get lost of idea for cooking, or some people don't even know how to cook some certain food and they really want to learn. So if you are doing any video on cooking idea, trust me, your video is going to work. The 32 one is what I eat in a day. 33 one, you can do a birthday vlog if your birthday is coming up. 34, a date night with friends, can be your girlfriend, can be your boyfriend. 35, you can do how to maintain good habits. 36th one is how to make $1,000 on YouTube, guys. This video is going to blow your channel, how to make $1,000 on YouTube. 37th one is a new way to succeed in 2023 or 2022, guys. 28th one is how to cornrow. Some people don't know how to cornrow their hair and they really want to see that. It's a simple video, guys. You can do that. And if you're an hairstylist, content creator, you can do that. The 39 one on my list is how to tie gele yourself. Trust me, people are going to parties and some don't even know how to tie their gele themselves. So when you do that video, I know they are going to come and get to see what it's all about. I also have those kind of video on my channel and they are really doing well. So guys, this video is going to do a lot if you do it. So number 40 on my list is 10 minutes / 15 minutes makeup. Yeah, people really like those that like rushing out for work and they need to just do something on their face. They'll come to check for it. And people really want to know how to do their makeup fast, how to do like a 10-minute makeup that they can just take out and it will look well on them. So trust me, if you are doing this video, your video is going to do well, guys. The 41 on my list is a travel vlogging. You can do a travel vlogging, travel to anywhere you're traveling to, you can vlog that and it's going to do a lot on your channel. 42 on my list is an hairstyle video, guys. 43 is a viral challenge, guys. 44, you can do tutorials. There are things that you know that others don't know, like nails, like makeup, like hair, like gele, like I don't even know, other things, how to set your computer, how to arrange, how to couple your phone, how to couple your camera, how to set up your lighting and all that. You can do tutorials that other people don't know and it's going to work here. Trust me, YouTube is a search engine. Everybody come on here to check on how to, even me, if I don't know how to do something, sometimes I come here and check and I will see a video to watch. There is no way I'm not going to get a video about it. So guys, if you are doing these videos that I'm listing, these video ideas that I'm giving you guys, it is going to do a long thing and your channel is going to blow up very, very fast. So guys, if you are still with me on this channel, subscribe right now. Like, stop whatever you're doing and subscribe right now. So moving on next to 45, I have room decors idea. Yeah, people are always coming to check the kind of idea, the kind of paint to use, the kind of decor to put, the kind of flowers to use in a home, the kind of home diffuser and all that, and they want to see. So if you're doing that, your video is going to do a lot. 46 on my list is a question tag. You can ask your audience question and answer tag, like they ask you a question and you answer for them. Trust me, they really want to know a lot about you. Number 47 is a skincare routine. You can do a skincare routine. 48, you can do a tech and gadget review. Yes, you can do a tech and gadget. It could be a camera review. Number 49 is a 10-minute makeup challenge featuring your friend. Yeah, you can do a 10-minute makeup challenge featuring your friend. Guys, trust me, this is fun to watch, guys. I also have it on my channel. The 50th one is what is in my bag. For ladies, what is in my bag, you can do that. 51 is how to start all over. People are depressed, people really want to stop everything, people want to start all over, but they don't know how to. If you are doing a video like that, trust me, your channel is going to blow up fast, guys. 52 is affordable shower routine. Yeah, people really want to keep up with their skincare, the shower routine, but they don't just have the money to get those high-end products, and they need affordable products that as well work very well for their skin. You can do affordable shower routine that works well, guys. Your channel is going to do well with that. 53 on my list is a makeup mistake to avoid in 2023. Yes, guys, people really want to learn, they want to advance, they want to step up their makeup game. Definitely they'll come for this video. Number 54 on my list is how to get a non-copyright YouTube music. Guys, this is a big headache for all YouTubers. A non-copyright YouTube music for your channel. If you are doing this video, guys, trust me, it is going to work well for you and your channel is going to blow up fast. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I've been able to give you like 54 video ideas that is gonna blow up your YouTube channel in 2023. And if you are here with me till this moment, thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Please like this video, comment, let me know what you want to see next in my next video, and as well as share this video, and I'm going to see you next in my next video. Till then, stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye.